Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Web Method. Today we are going to see how to use a branch step in web methods. So branch step executes child step based on the value of variables at the runtime. So we can think branch step as a if else and if else if condition. So there are two ways to implement branch by switch value and branch by expression. So we'll see both the ways with example. So let's begin. Go to your designer. Let's create a service called test branch. Let's create an input and output. So here what we want to do that we'll branch on these two variables and we'll see whether the desired output will come or not. So let's drag a branch step. So first we'll see branch on switch value. So in this case we have to specify variable in switch property. So here we'll put country. Let's add a sequence step. In label we'll give Germany and we'll add a debug log and we'll add one more sequence step. So this time what we want to do that we'll log if country is other than Germany. So for that case we'll select label as default and again we'll put one debug log. Now let's save. Now let's test this condition. Let's say country is Germany. Here we can see Germany is my country. And now let's check the other condition. Let's say we'll put USA. So here USA is not my country. So here we have seen how we implement switch value. Now we'll see the other way to implement branch step, that is branch on expression. So let's drag one more branch step. So in this case, first we have to make evaluate label as true. Why true? Because in this case expression assigned to each child step and it could have multiple pipeline variables. So for example, let's add sequence step. So in this case what we want to do, we want to put a condition on the basis of country and the payment mode. If country is Germany and payment mode is credit card, then it will go into one sequence step. So go to the label and we'll put country. Country is equals to Germany and payment mode is equals to credit card. Then we'll print a log. Now we'll test this condition. So now country is USA and we'll put payment mode is credit card. We'll check. Now here we'll see USA is not my country and we have not got this log. So now we'll check again. Let's say country is now Germany and credit card is CC. So in this case, here we'll check the message as check by expression implementation. So I hope you get the point how to implement a branch step in web methods, and we have seen both the ways. So if you have any doubt or any comment, so do please let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, then please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.